What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about safety glasses, okay? Your eyes are very important to protect, especially when you're going out to the range and you're shooting. A lot of times you have things flying around, empty shells come out the gun, all different type of elements, and you just want to make sure you're okay? And you have to remember, all safety glasses are not created the same, okay? They actually have safety glasses that have specific ratings, and I'm gonna show this to you today, okay? First, I'm gonna start off with the Trade Smart safety glasses. These do not have a specific rating on them, okay? They're plastic, they're cheap, and guess what? If something hits it hard enough, it can shatter and damage your eyes, okay? However, we do have this awesome set of glasses here for you guys, okay? And on here, this is the SolidWorks shooting glasses with a ballistic impact protection on it, okay? So basically they're slash safety goggles also, okay? And we're gonna get into this, and I'm gonna show you some features about it, and we're also gonna discuss how safe they are too. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's get into it. We have the glorious SolidWorks, that's the brand, okay? Shooting glasses here. Awesome safety glasses. I'll go ahead and save you the torture towards the end of the video as far as the price. But the price was only 20 bucks, and I think they're a little bit cheaper, but remember, prices are subject to change, okay? These are amazing glasses right here, okay? All right. Basically, you have a comfortable, soft rubber frame, okay? So it is very flexible, soft rubber frame, all right? You also have a strong and durable polycarbonate lens. So the lens is very, very durable, okay? And they say that basically this is a shatterproof lens. So there you have it right there as far as the lens, okay? They're anti-fog and anti-scratch, okay? And they have that scratch coating basically that helps with that. And it has the high ballistic impact protection. So basically, like I said, you know, if things start flying around and things like that, your eyes will be protected with these, okay? It also has a foam seal. So if you can see that right there, on the exterior part of the lens, that's a foam seal right there. And you actually get that here also, okay? You see that right there? That's pretty amazing. So that kind of helps with things intruding in the inside, you know, to damage your eyes and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. The weight, they're extremely lightweight. I mean, these things are so crazy lightweight, you can't even hardly even feel them in your hand, okay? So that's pretty cool. And then also, they have a certain rating, okay? Like I said before, these type of glasses, the cheap ones that you get, they don't have a rating, okay? And that's not good. So you want something that's going to protect your eyes. But these actually have a rating. And if you look very close, I don't know if you guys can see this, the rating is right there on the corner of the lens. You can actually see the rating, okay? And the rating is a Z87 plus rating, okay? A is in Apple, N is in Nancy, S is in Sam, I, Z is in Zebra, 87 plus rating, okay? All right? And that rating is extremely, extremely important. With that rating, eyewear products that meet the requirements to be ANSI Z87 plus certified are those that are best designed for protection, okay? They reduce the chances of hazardous materials or circumstances injuring your eyes, okay? ANSI Z87 Plus is designed specifically to track products used in environments like machine shops or laboratories where welding, cutting, chemical handling, and assembly can all pose a potential injury risk. That's extremely important. You want something that can protect your eyes, guys. Now, of course, they're going to have, you know, different calibers and higher ratings that'll do more things, okay? but this is an entry level one, and this will most definitely, these will protect you a whole lot better than these will when you're out there shooting, okay? You know, and especially like I said, if affordability is a good thing for you, this is the way you want to go. Lightweight, okay, and just awesome. With the glasses, you also get, it looks like a little strap here where you can put around your head and keep up with the glasses also. So they give you that in the bag too, which is pretty freaking cool, okay? So you get that with these glasses, okay? Pretty awesome, pretty cool. Also, don't let me forget about this too. These are a little bit different. With these glasses here, it has a rubber, lightweight area where your nose actually sits, okay? So that's pretty cool because it's really soft and you can't feel it on your nose where it creates that crazy, ugly little imprint and stuff like that. So I like these. These are pretty cool. Check them out, guys. You can catch them on Amazon. Like I said before, the link will be in the description below, okay? All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you all how they actually look on too, okay? All right, so here we go. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like on, okay? And these are pretty cool. They wrap around, you know, your head, and they squeeze. So you get a nice tight fit with them also. And that's pretty cool. And like I said, they're lightweight, so you don't even hardly feel them on. As far as the lens clarity is really good. So it doesn't have a nasty hue to it or anything like that either. You know, you'll be able to, you know, hit things on target and stuff like that too. So you'll be fine. This will be really good. And also, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my page. Today marked the day where I hit 100 subscriptions. So I'm just amazed right now. I just want to say thank you. I started from the bottom. Now I'm here. And this is real, y'all. I started from 0. Didn't think I was going to get much. Started from 0. Now I'm at 100 subscriptions. And that's a huge milestone for me. And it's going to do nothing but go up, and up. And soon I'm actually going to start having raffles and things like that for you guys and some prizes that I think you'll really enjoy. So thank you for watching my content. I truly appreciate it. I really appreciate it, guys. All right. Also, remember, the link will be in the description below, okay, for these safety glasses, for these shooting glasses. Make sure you click on the link and you'll be able to purchase them right there, okay? Also, if you have not subscribed to the page, you know, go ahead and subscribe. Click on that notification bell so whenever I have the latest videos, you'll be able to receive those, okay? And click like on the video too. And then, if you guys don't mind, go ahead and comment about certain glasses that you have, you know, that you think other people will actually like also, okay? Be huge. I think, you know, this page is all about sharing important information and to be able to get that information out because sometimes other people don't know about certain things. I don't know about everything. So this is a learning experience for me too. But I'm pretty well versed in a lot of other things too. So we all can learn from each other. I truly appreciate it, guys, okay? And remember, I'm not from this planet.